In this module, we will address the importance of cleaning your equipment. Cleaning electrical equipment is essential to maintain the proper functioning and safety of these devices. Dust accumulation, for example, can cause a number of problems, including overheating, reduced performance, short circuits, reduced useful life and health risks. To clean, follow these guidelines. Turn off and unplug the equipment before starting any cleaning, to avoid electric shock. Remove nearby tools to avoid any type of accident. Clean the outside of the equipment with a dry cloth. Avoid using liquid cleaning products directly on the surface. If applicable, you can use brushes, compressed air and a vacuum cleaner to help with cleaning. Before reconnecting the equipment to power, check that everything is assembled correctly. Remember that cleaning frequency depends on the environment in which the equipment is located. Equipment in dustier environments may need more frequent cleaning. Keeping your electrical equipment clean will help extend its life and ensure safe and effective operation. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next tutorial.